Well, hello there. I'm Kim Berry, editor of Food and Drink Business. Welcome to our weekly news roundup, brought to you by Ozcor, leading specialists in plastic storage and warehouse equipment. In the news this week, Coles and Woolworths have increased the price of their own brand fresh and UHT milks due to rising costs and farm gate prices. Rabobank senior dairy analyst Michael Harvey said dairy producers were set for a profitable season, but risks were building. Harvey said that given dairy's complicated operating environment, strong local guaranteed pricing driven by competing processors would give dairy farmers greater security to ensure adequate lock-in margins. An interesting angle of this is that the message from the big retailers is that this increase reflects their support for primary producers compared to the $1 campaign, which was focused on attracting consumers on price. Bega also released its earnings guidance for the financial year 2023 at $160 million to $190 million, citing high farm gate prices and strong competition between milk processors. On June 1, the company had said that it expected farm gate milk prices for the financial year 2023 to rise between 15 to 20%, but last week said prices in Victoria had already increased about 30% on the last financial year. Michael Harvey said it was hard to recall a time when so many global and geopolitical events clouded the market outlook. He said we were witnessing a rare event with the big 7 dairy exporters, the EU, US, New Zealand, Australia, Brazil, Argentina and Uruguay, all recording lower milk production than last year. In other news, Fonterra has launched New Zealand's first electric milk tanker, Milky, which at least is a slight improvement on previous naming inanimate objects, such as Fairy McFairyface. I feel like Helena on Romper Room and we're all having a glass of milk. Because in other dairy-related news, Bubs Australia has recorded a stellar fourth quarter, with gross revenue up 278% to $48 million, reflecting the success of Operation Fly Formula, as well as growth across all markets. Its gross revenue had more than doubled on 2021, and its corporate daiju market has also rebounded, which was a highlight. Moving on. After a shortish break, we have a new podcast episode up for you. I'm talking to Andrew Loader, the CEO and co-founder of health food company Openway Food Co. After 20 years in multinationals, Andrew has set up a company because he wanted to do business in a different way. The result of that is Openway Food Co. And we talk about how he's done that, what it looks like and what it means. We also really have a great discussion just in general around the operations of businesses within food and beverage. All of these things are up on the website, along with a lot more, not related to dairy. So please head to the website at foodanddrinkbusiness.com.au. Thanks again to Ozcor. And with that, I'm Kim Berry, over and out.